welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. I was involved in a swap with a really nice lady here on the YT. Her channel is called Seekingmycraftytribe, and her name is Yaquise. We did a private, just she and I, swap of a pocket letter. My first pocket letter. I never done one before, and you can see that. I'll hook mine down on the channel. This is my my part of the swap from Yaquise. I am thrilled. I haven't peeped in the box much. I just opened the box and saw that it was overfilled. And thank you, lady. But let me get started so you can see what she sent me. Okay. It came in this giant box here. And it is just filled to the brim with stuff. So the first thing is she sent me some recollections on washi tape. Are these washi tapes beautiful or what? She must know me there because she know oh, these are just beautiful. Beautiful, 13 pieces. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Thank you. You know what, just getting in there. Okay, so I got a nice bag. Inside the bag, oh my goodness, inside the bag are tags. Oh, something fell off, but hold on to that. Inside the bag are, oh, and she put it in this nice, oh my goodness, Yaquise. Oh my. These are tags that I could use for all kinds of things. Look at this. Believe in you. That's how you make your dreams come true. Look at that. She got a frame, some gears and keys. Oh, these tags are nice. Oh, now she got some rusty in here. Follow your dreams, believe in yourself, and don't give up. Oh, these are so nice. Gears and light bulbs. Oh, I like this. I like how she did this on the ring and everything like that. Trust in yourself. I like maps. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. You know what? These are ones that I'm going to keep on my desk because during the course of a day, you always need some encouragement. I'm going to use these for my encouragement tags. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I like that. A heart with wings. Oh, my. These are my encouragement tags. And I like how she did this with the gold. All things are possible if you believe. That's what my mom used to tell me that. I like how she did this. Oh man, these are, oh listen, these are my everyday, when I go to work, encouragement tags. I'm gonna have to go, you know what, today, gotta believe in myself because, you know, these people may be shaking my confidence. So this is just, love that, love that. Let me dig down in the box again. And she gave me some transfers. Oh, like those. She gave me a clear stamp set, steampunk clear stamp set, like the gears. You know I'm be stamping like crazy, cutting those out, and the light bulb. I love the light bulb. You know, I had a project in mind for a light bulb for a long time, but I didn't have one, so I got that. Like those, to cut the gears. Oh, man. She gave me that. Explore, travel, and adventure. Oh, that's going to be nice. Oh, there's the hat. There's a hat. So I'm going to take that hat, use that as a template for stuff. Thank you. And she gave me some rub-on numbers and alphabets. You know what? I love Crafter Square rub-ons. If you haven't used them yet, you need to do that. This lady is marvelous. You know, she was saying she was floored by my, and look, ladies, look, everybody. Look at this. Look at this. Is this gorgeous or what? She's talking about me taking time. She was busy herself. This is gorgeous. And I can just hang this on something else if I want. But she hung it on my pocket letter, and here comes my pocket letter. Okay. Oh, man. Oh man, she did something that she knew it. She knew I would love the Shakers. She knew it. She knew it. Oh, look at the background embossed. She knows that my life can't make. I can make a shaker every now and then. Now I got a whole bunch of shakers I could use. Oh, and look at that, steampunky gears. Now she got. See, she knew you knew, Yaquise, that I couldn't do no shakers. You know what? You and I gonna have to get together on a call or Zoom or something. You're gonna have to show me how to do a good shaker, cause I'm gonna tell you, I'm just not the shaker queen. Oh my! And look at these guys. Look at these guys. See, she did a true pocket letter. I wasn't a very good explorer. Oh, and she gave me some. Oh man, look at that. Oh man, I can use this in my mixed media. Put that down for some, oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh man, I'm so excited. Oh, and there's a letter. Oh man, there's a letter. That's right, a pocket, you know what, a pocket letter is supposed to have a letter. I didn't write her a letter. Oh man, I was supposed to write her a letter. Oh, I'm going to have to read my letter later. I was supposed to write her a letter. I'm going to write her, so I'm going to send her a letter then. Oh, look at that. Oh, the flying machines. Oh, that is so, oh, I love it. Love every moment. I like how oh, look. She knows she must be watching my channel. She knows I love a good butterfly. Oh, my goodness. She knows that. I like how she knows what I like. Oh my goodness. Live every moment. You know what? I like the fact that this pocket letter is steampunky and positive. Oh my God, I got a lot of shakers. When else she did that though? When else she does that? I can't do a shaker to save my soul. Oh look, wood cutouts. Hello and thanks. Could use these on a card. Oh my. Oh my. You know what? I am just tickled here. Just tickled. This is my first pocket letter. It's full of stuff that I love. Oh, this must have came out of here. Oh, look. A heart with gears. Hope I'm still in frame, because you know how I get sometimes. Look at that, a heart with gears. Oh, and I love this. Wanderlust. A strong desire or urge to wander, explore, or travel the world. You know, sometimes I do get a little wanderlust and I go, you know what? I should just move somewhere else. But that was back when moving somewhere else was like a thing you could possibly think of. Now it's not. Now it's like, let me stay my butt home. Oh, man. Oh, there go my dogs. Oh, look. Look at that. I could use that. Oh, man. Yaquise, thank you so much. Oh, man. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, and I'm so in love with this. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. It even got chain in it. See, that's when you know what you're doing, when you put some chain in it. Man, you are a talent yourself. Don't even be talking about you a talent yourself. Okay, then there's another bag in here. Oh, this is just filled. This box was filled with stuff. Oh my, it is just filled with stuff. Okay, look at this, black and gold. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I am, because I'm so thrilled. She gave me a whole bunch of, stuff. A chunky charm. She made me a chunky charm. Oh man, a chunky charm with a steampunk watch on the end. I'm gonna keep this in my car. Oh my goodness. Oh man. This is, it has locks, keys, hearts. Look everybody. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Is that the most steampunkiest thing? And wings? Oh, I love the hearts. Oh my, this is so, so wonderful. Oh man, I'm putting this in my car and I'm having it hang down in there. Oh man, this is just, maybe not. I think I'm going to hang it here in my office because I love it so much. I want to look at it every day. Oh my, this is wonderful. And, oh, see, she just didn't stop. Oh man, oh wait. Is that the way? This is the way. Oh man. Then she gave me some of my own wings. I can make my own stuff. Oh wow. Wow. Did she just do it right, everybody? Did she? Oh, this is beautiful. This is just beautiful. Oh, this is nice too. Oh, this is nice too because I was just thinking too, I gotta figure, I think I got something I could do with these. Oh my, thank you for these. You know I am about a good paper bag. Oh my goodness, your queens. Thank you thank you so much. I am so appreciative. I am beyond floored. I just never had anything like this before. This is like my best, this is like one of my best crafty gifts that I've ever gotten almost. Well, not almost. This is my best crafty steampunk gift ever. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I get, crafty gifts, but oh my goodness, you talking about me doing work. How long did it take you to make these things? Oh my goodness. And I got to leave this out over here. Listen. Go to this lady's channel. You can see from these things how creative she is. Please go there. Please subscribe. Please give her some crafty love. And I thank you so much. And I'll be getting in touch. So, because I just want to do more stuff with you. I just want to do more stuff. You're just talented. And we got to get to know each other better. And I thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I just passed my 300 subscriber, so I'm about to do my 300 subscriber giveaway. So watch for that video. It's going to go up on Monday because today is Sunday, so it's going up tomorrow. Please participate, and I'll see you soon. Thank everyone for everything. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked all this wonderful stuff that Yaquise did. Check the link down below. Go to her channel and subscribe because she's a fantastic and a really sweet lady. And I'm so glad that I'm part of her crafty tribe and that she's my friend. So I thank you very much. Be the reason somebody smile. Have a good rest of your weekend and stay blessed and stay safe. Talk to you all soon. Bye.